Okay, whatever you're going through, I want to share this Bible verse with you. It's so encouraging. John chapter 14 verse 27 says, "Peace I live with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid." Amen. How good is our God? Jesus Christ is King. He's saying to you, He can give you so much more than what the world gives. His everlasting love, His protection, His strength. Whatever you're going through right now, know that you can get through it because you are a child of God. God bless you.